Hello friends, myself Chaitanya Vade and I am pursuing BCA Data Science from Ajinkya Diva Patel University, Pune. So I have made a simple project using Python language and my project name is loan prediction using Python. So here is a project description about my project. In this project I am trying to check the percentage of people who are applying for the loan from the bank. I am checking which category of people are continuously taking the loan from the bank, either they are graduate or non-graduate. So in this project to execute, I am importing some different packages like sklearn, pandas, numpys, and matplotlib. So impact of my project on market will be like that. The purpose of this document is to provide quick, immediate, and easy way to select the worthy applicant by the bank, so that bank can provide the special advantage to those person. So now let's take a view of the code. So here is a coding window. Basically, I am using Jupyter Notebook to execute this code. And firstly, I am importing, as I said, the required packages. Secondly, I am fetching the dataset. So this dataset I have downloaded from Kaggle website. And let's take a view of dataset. So this dataset consists of 12 different attributes, and total entries in these datasets are approximately 615. Yes, total entries are 615, and this contain both categorical and numerical dataset. So afterwards, here is a bit of discussion about the dataset. I have plotted first graph. It is simple. From this we can understand. It is simple to understand, and from this we came to know that there are more than 400 applicants who have got the loan. Bank has approved their loan, and uh, applicants are less than 200 who haven't taken any loan from the bank. So I have handled these NA values using dot fill NA function. So there were a lot of NA values which I implemented. So I used the mod and median function. Median function in integer format. I also plotted, as I said, I have plotted some graphs. So from these 5 different graphs, I can do many different things. For example, from gender, from this graph, we are coming to know that we are getting that 80% of the applicant are male and which are applying for the loan, and remaining 20% are the female which are applying for the loan in the bank. And if we take the fifth graph, from that we came to know that approximately 80% of the applicants are graduated and they are taking the loan. Remaining 20% are non-graduate and they are taking the loan from the bank. And here I have found out that approximately 80% of uh, the applicants are applying for the loan and their loan has already been approved by the bank. According to my data set, I got the answer that approximately 80% of the applicants they applied for the loan and their loan has been approved. So at the end, the important thing here is a visualization part. I have added further visualization, nothing more than that. And at the end, the main important thing is here that accuracy. Here I have got the accuracy of 0.827, that is 82%. I have got the accuracy. That means we have identified 82% of the loan status is correctly done. So by using decision tree algorithm, we will get like 65 to 68% of accuracy. Using linear regression, you will get up to 78 to 80% of accuracy. By using this model, you will get highest accuracy rate. And at the end, I have also used the confusion matrix. Here you can see that. And now let's move to UI file. In this, I didn't created any attractive way for simple understanding. As usual, it was my first project. I have created simple UI file, and when for creating this file, I have used tick enter. And when we will run this file, we will get a pop-up window. Yeah. So here is the window with heading banking. I have given the heading banking, and now let's check by my UI file is it working correctly or not. So we will check from the data set. We will take a one applicant. Yes, this applicant we will take, any applicant we will take who has got the loan, and we will check that. So we will take this fourth number of applicant. Yeah, he has got the loan status is yes, means he has got that. Somehow let's check by this UFI. Name is not compulsory, you can give any names or give is change married status. So now let's look, is that applicant married? So yes, that applicant is married. Mobile number, it is not compulsory. So in the applicant income, what was the applicant income? That was 3,000. What was his loan ID? Loan ID was ELP 00105. Any dependency? Was there any dependency? There was any dependency, and was there any co-applicant income? That no, there was no any, as we can see here. There is no any co-applicant income in that. So I will write here 0, and I will press review button. All the entries were done correctly, and I will check. So yes, I have got the output that yes, you are eligible and approved for this loan. Yes, the candidate applicant has got the loan, and also my UFI is executing properly. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed.